Manlabat ka. Today is Saturday, so need to laundry the clothes of Inday Vlogs and socks Inday Vlogs, because this one using Monday, need to use on Monday. So that's why I have to laundry now, because tomorrow is very busy. Because tomorrow is go to school, go to church. Need to go to church because tomorrow is Sunday. So now I need to laundry the clothes. This is socks of brother of Inday Vlogs. Ha? This uniform of Inday Vlogs. This uniform of Inday. So need I laundry today because tomorrow is no time. And then Monday go to school. Ha? Ako ka ba? Ako ka Facebook. Basta dili ma-open te, ikuan lang natin, i-switch off imong kuan. Nya ibalik na pud og open. Patiya sa i-off sa siya. Ma-open na siya. Basta imong i-off. Turn off sa.
Power off siya?
Oh, i-power off nya. Kuan. Hindi, i-restart nimo, ano ba? Ma-open man na. Oh, I cannot finish this one because my baby is crying already. This is my life. Cannot finish my work. So busy. Huh? So hot inside.